Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to change font style on iOS 18. So let's get started. First, you need to open settings and then go to the general settings of your iPhone. You need to scroll down until you find the fonts option and then click on system fonts. So basically here you will find the various fonts that you can see over here. You can click on anyone and choose it. The ones which you are seeing the download icon on the right side, that means you need to download that font. You need to click on that download icon and after that you can use them. But the only thing is you can use this for the newer application. For the older application, these are not applicable. So in order to use it, what you need to do, go back to the settings and this time you need to go to the accessibility and then you need to click on keyboards and typing. Just make sure that the hover typing, click on that and enable it. Click on the toggle on button and then click on font. So here you will see the various fonts which are supported by both old applications and the newer applications as well. You can choose any one of the font and this is how you can change the font style on iOS 18. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.